Hello, today I'm making asparagus. This is washed and I have the ends cut off. Now you have to make sure this is very dry, so lay them in paper towel and just roll them back and forth. Get them very dry. And then we're going to take them and put them onto the baking sheet. Like so. On the baking sheet. And then what you do, drizzle a good amount of olive oil, onion powder, and then some garlic powder. With rubber gloves, roll that around. Get the olive oil and all of the spices onto the asparagus. Do not add salt because the prosciutto, we call it prosciutto. It's Italian ham. And then what you do, take a piece of ham, simply wrap the asparagus. Wrap it. That's it. Until they're all covered, and then they're going to go into a 350-degree oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. And I'll be back when they're all done and cooked. These are wrapped beautifully, and now they're going to go into the oven for about 20 minutes. Take one out. After 20 minutes, try it. If it's not soft enough for you, put it back in until your desired, how you like it. I like it a little crisp. The asparagus is done. It was in for 30 minutes. Now, asparagus has acid, and when you eat it, it turns to sulfur. So when you urinate, you may have an odor. Don't worry. Death isn't looming over your head. That's normal. Asparagus has vitamin A, C, K, folate. It's excellent. So now I'm going to put a little mozzarella on this side, just a little, and some Parmesan cheese. This will melt right down, and we're going to have it with some nice slices of rotisserie chicken. Take care.